Hey there, guys. What's up? I am Cerise. I'm doing a little bit of a different version of these travel, tourism, relocation, and real estate videos here. And I don't know. I might stick with this version. You let me know. I feel like I'm doing a bird's eye view here. All right. So this is a 2-bedroom townhouse located in Sosua. For those of you who don't know about Sosua, then you really need to check out some of my other videos. I love this one. It has a pool. It's modern. Look at those stairs going up. Now, I know that you are wondering, does it come furnished? And absolutely, it does come furnished. It is a great location because Sosua is the number one destination, well, one of the number one destinations on the North Coast. And not only that, it is amazing because a lot of people do want to come and stay in an Airbnb. So if you're going to buy this beautiful property and you're going to rent it out, you can make yourself a good buck on it because it's 2 bedrooms and it also has the pool there. It's located in a community that has only 6 other townhouses there. So that's pretty amazing. And I do want you to keep in mind as well that the information for this is going to be in the description. But I also want you to keep in mind that Sosua is a great place to live. It's a great place to play. And it's also a wonderful place to invest. If you're looking to invest, then look no longer. Look no longer. You can definitely get yourself this place right here. Now, of course, if you're not looking for a 2-bedroom townhouse with stairs and you're looking for like a condominium or an apartment or even just a studio, let me know because we can work that out as well. Whether it's in Cabarete, Puerto Plata, or right here in Sosua. Guys, I do relocation. Look at that sky. Just look at that sky. Oh, had to cut myself off for a moment. But I do relocation, counseling, and consultations, and I would love to talk to you because if this place is not for you, then there must be another one that is for you and one that you can love and invest in and either flip, because there's a lot of flipping going on now here. People are buying and then they're reselling because of the possibilities that they are encountering here. That seems pretty amazing. And if you don't want to flip it and you want to live in it as a retirement home, that's another option because the price is right. That's it. Come on down and enjoy this good deal. Give me a shout. Again, if you want anything when it comes to any apartments, I got your back. Any houses, I got your back. Even if it's land, I got your back. I'll help you with lawyers. I'll help you with people that are going to make sure everything is legit. Now, I also, on my consultations, will tell you about where you can get yourself a good barber, a good restaurant, and also get yourself around the island with a good driver. And not only that, I do tours. So give me a shout. I call myself a one-stop shop. And I keep saying, give me a shout, give me a shout. I feel like a saleswoman. But I am right here, and I'm selling this 2-bedroom condo. Look in the description below for more information, and I look so forward to working with you. I gotta tell you that it is the new year right now. I'm releasing this video right here. It's going to be on January 3rd, and there's just so much going on in the real estate industry here. People are not stopping and just looking. People are not hesitating and buying. And if you are in that boat where you want to buy, then let me know. Now, if you're in the boat where you just want to rent and you're not ready to buy yet, let me know that as well, because I help people find rental places as well, whether it's for 1 month or whether it's for 1 year or more. I just want to help you out and help you get in the loop. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cerise. My information is in the description. If you're interested in this place, remember, it does come fully furnished. You can fix it up. You can make it look great. And if you need any advice on where you can buy furniture and, really at really good prices and even get it financed, let me know because I can help you with that as well. All right, guys, I love you. Huge hugs, loads of love, big blessings. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your new year. Bye. Relocation and residency to the Dominican Republic. Many people from around the world are figuring out the beautiful location and the number one destination in the Caribbean. The Dominican Republic offers a wonderful residency program. I want to help you come here and figure out what it is that you want to do here in regards to either coming here full term or perhaps coming a few months out of the year. Getting your residency does not mean that you have to give up your passport from your country. It just means that you are getting another passport so you could indulge in the benefits that being a resident in the Dominican Republic has to offer you. Why don't you give me a shout for a relocation consultation so we can go through what your thoughts are, your concerns, and also your plans. My name is Cerise Fairfax. Give me a shout. I look forward to working with you. Relocation to the Dominican Republic is a lot easier than most people assume. Really, it's just about making a plan and getting on a plane. Coming here to the Dominican Republic to live your life, short term, long term, or for the rest of your days, is something that you might have been thinking about over and over. Perhaps you came here and you had a visit and you loved it so much, and you saw people relocating, expats in different towns all around the island, and you thought to yourself, that's something I want to do. Now may be the time for you to do that. I can help you out. My name is Cerise Fairfax, and I'm a relocation specialist. I can also help you with getting an apartment and buying property. As a specialist, I have seen people come here and relocate. They get their residency, and they find that traveling around the island is something that they have always desired, and now they are doing it. You see, with my connections and all the people here that want to help you out so you can come to the Dominican Republic and live your life, the number one destination in the Caribbean. We make it easier for you. We help you to iron out the wrinkles and to get here as soon as you can so you can start living. If you are a single person looking for a change, the Dominican Republic welcomes you. Perhaps you're a family and you have children and you're looking to raise your children in a different atmosphere. Maybe you want them to learn another language. There are lots of schools available to you with very good curriculums so your children can learn and live happy. Maybe you are a person that has recently lost a loved one and you just want to rest your mind and rejuvenate. Maybe hit the beach and meditate, restore your soul, and just relax. Maybe you are on a pension and you really need your money to
Looks like
stretch.
you guys are really going
and
to
hey,
enjoy the comfort
living in
that this
paradise
Airbnb
will
has to
also
offer.
help your health and help you to live a better lifestyle. Listen, this is something that you know you deserve. So why don't you start now instead of waiting till later? Please contact me. I'm a relocation specialist and I can help you out. I would love to help you relocate to this beautiful island of the Dominican Republic. You don't have to know the language. A lot of people ask, do you need to know Spanish? And not always. Of course, it's always good to stretch the mind and learn a new language. But here in the Dominican Republic, you will find that it is foreigner friendly. Everyone around the island welcomes you. Again, my name is Cerise Fairfax, and I look forward to working with you. My information is on the screen, and I really hope that you make that decision today to make your life better tomorrow.